All right, so here we go. All you have to do at this point is just pour your beautiful mixture right over these onions. And look at that. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own quick pickled onions. You're going to need a red onion. We're going to go over the vinegars that we need. So you can use white distilled, which I don't have out here. You can use like a champagne, you can use a red wine. I'm going to use a combination today of apple cider and mostly red wine. We're going to use a little bit of salt and optional peppercorns, and then you need a little sweetener, and today we're going to use some maple syrup. You're going to get a little pan. You need a little vessel jar to put your onions in, and a lid. And I just have a recycled jar for that. First, let's go ahead and get this in the pot. The first thing you need is a half a cup of really good water. I'm gonna get that right out of my water dispenser. Shaboom, just like that. We're gonna get that cranked up. We're gonna get this to a little bit of a simmer. We need a tablespoon and a teaspoon. To this, we're gonna add, we need a teaspoon and a half of salt, a tablespoon of syrup, a tablespoon and a half, roughly. So the ratio is half a cup to half a cup, and you're gonna make a cup of this here brine. Mostly I'm gonna use the red wine, just because I really like the flavor of red wine and how it's so pretty and red. And I'm just gonna pour that in so that I don't have to open this brine. And just eyeball about a quarter cup of that. Just a tiny bit more. I wasn't comfortable with that. You can also toss in your peppercorns. Really, we're just gonna get this to where the salt dissolves and it comes to a little bit of a simmer. And we're gonna slice this onion. All right, put that right on the bottom. And just stack your onion back in. If it's too big, take off a ring. All right, so here we go. All you have to do at this point is just pour your beautiful mixture right over these onions. And look at that. So pretty. And look at that. That's the perfect amount. Put your lid on, and you can just let that go.